Hello, marketplace sellers! Want a fast and easy way to set up your items, drive more traffic to your listings, and boost conversion? We have tools to help. Our latest Item Spec version 5.0 provides an easier item setup and maintenance process. Best of all, Item Spec 5.0 allows you to add more details to your listings, which helps shoppers discover your items. Using Item Spec 5.0 also gives you access to GenAI content suggestions. Tap into AI-generated titles and descriptions that are tailored to Walmart's style guide. Accept the suggestions as is, or make changes to them. This tool can help improve your listing quality score, which can boost visibility and increase conversion. Another way to streamline your setup process is by adding inventory at the time of item setup. As soon as you add inventory, your items become available for purchase, and you can start selling. Take advantage of these tools to make your item setup and maintenance a breeze. Learn more here.